It's Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. Now I got a few stocks I'm watching. I made lists this morning. I put them all up there, but I added a couple more down here. So as always, do your own due diligence, due diligence. Don't follow what I do. Make trades from what you see, not what I see. I'm only showing you how I do my trades and what works for me. Never follow somebody else. Don't follow trade alerts. Follow what you see. It's that simple. We're gonna go over here for a minute. Now, I like EVK this morning. It's up over 100%. However, it has no news. If you look up here, it ran up on a 5-minute chart. It pulled back, up again, and now it's pulling back. So we know by now, VWAP is 580. Rephrase that. Yeah, VWAP is 580. The EMA is right here, this green line. So it's also dropping through the EMA. So this may be support. If you look up here, you see it was on the EMA, blew through it, pulled back to the SMA, rephrase that, to the EMA, up again, and back to the EMA. So if you're looking at trends, it should bounce off this VWAP right here and then move forward. Down here, you look at LIZI, you'll see this morning, it ran up, it pulled back all through the EMA and SMA. It followed the EMA, SMA up again. It ran up, curved over, pulled all the way back through the EMA and SMA. And so that point forward, since 8:15 this morning, been moving basically sideways. So preparing for a strategy to take off on. Look down here though, you'll see the volume candle is green, the RSI is pointing upwards, and it's burgundy right here on the MACD. Now, this green candle here is actually the buy point I was looking for. Let me go over here for a minute. I wanted to buy in at the first candle to make a new high, and that, like I said, right there. So I'm gonna go down here to the buy. I'm gonna hit the edit. I'm gonna go limit. I'm gonna go EXT, and hopefully, there we go. Get that buy in right there. I wanted to get the first new candle that create a new high. I kind of got in kind of late on it, but I did get in on it. You look down here, it's consolidating. Look down here, it's also burgundy. If you look over here, it has news this morning, which is why I ran up. And if you look over here, you'll see on the level 2, buyers are coming in, right? If you look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart, you should see that it pulled back, perfect. It ran up, pulled back, ran all the way up, overextended. Then it pulled back through the EMA and it's tapping the EMA, but through the VWAP. So right here should be a move to the upside. Or the 15-minute pattern, we should have a 460 point. The next point will be 481. Next point is going to be 520. Now, right now I'm down $9. It's no big deal. I got in at 444. Oh, that's a good sign, right? Everyone knows by now that 444 is a good sign. So I need, it's crazy, 44 cents to make 10%. So 44 cents put me at 488. Right here you see it's 481. High day is 520. So I'm willing to bet, look at right here. See the EMA? Rephrase that, the VWAP is at 449, right? EMA is way down here. Usually the EMA is above the VWAP. Look back here. It hasn't did it. My bad, I'm sorry. EMA is below the VWAP. So you look back here, you see that it's constantly doing what it's been doing all morning. Right? So far we're looking pretty good. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you'll see that we are in standard. However, look up here. Double top. See that? Hit the same spot twice. Double top. So it should blow through it, right? Ideally, it should blow through it. So go over here and look at my charts again. It's 9:27 and 14 seconds. Up here you see EVK is failing. No news, right? Remember, up this morning with no news nowhere. So usually when that happens, them things don't last too well. But however, it is a clinical stock, so it may be moving because of that alone. CYAN has less than 2 million share float. I like it, but it has no volume yet. That's why I haven't bought it yet. KBSF, remember it had a 9 million share float. Here's the pattern. Should have been Head and Shoulders, but it's not. Let me draw a trend line right here while I got time. Look at this trend line. Rephrase that. Regression channel. From here, come on now. From here to there. Straight decline. That's terrible. If it breaks through this channel right here, that's going to be the move upwards. Let me go right here back to my trade platform. I'm in 100 shares right now, right? I'm going to see, I'm going to check my auto send, right? Now, market opening, we may see a dump immediately. But on the other hand, someone signs in and see, yes, they closed 236, today open, right now it's 442, almost 100%. That's like 90% up right now. So people going to see that at there being over 90% with the 46 million share float, which I hate. But it's trading 25.7 million shares pre-market. That is an absolute huge number. Even the float won't handle that number. So we're going to look here for a minute and watch and see what happens. And just hopefully we get some moves. So I'm going to put in right here that look for a move on LIZI and EVK at opening. Let's see what happens here. I'm auto saying check. We good on time, 9:29 and 38 seconds. The level 2. We got the buyers trying to come in here. Sellers standing by. They know it's going to run up. Should see it pop past this EMA. Rephrase that. VWAP at the market opening. Let's watch it. I'm going to hover over here and get ready. Watch the volume bar. Watch the RSI. Watch the MACD. Level 2. We blow through this point. We got room to run. It's banging to the T. Look what it did here. It's red, but this is green. So this should be opposite, hopefully, of what it did right here. Let's bang through this point and run it up. You need one big buyer to come in. It's going to blow past everything. Look over here on the level 2. Right side here. Not many sellers, right? Watch it for a minute. We need a strong buyer. We need a big buyer. Here they come. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. To that point, perfect. Next point is 480. We good on the RSI. We good on the MACD. So I should get 44 bucks before I sell, right? Let's go. Go through it. Next point, 480. Let's go. The volume bar is very large. If I see it failing, I'm going to hop out of it. But if you look here, it shouldn't fail. Look here, we got more buyers than sellers. We need one big buyer to come in right here and blow through this 480 point. So our profit's gone now, right? But I'm not concerned yet because I know what it's telling me. Look at that profit taking right there. Don't get scared, right? If you do your thing right, your DD, don't get scared. Look to the left here. It's up 80%. EVK 195 is rolling with no news, but NBRV is reverse split. What I should have probably did was take profit here when it failed twice, but I didn't. It's okay. Took my little 30 bucks and ran, right? It's okay though. I didn't do that because I didn't want to. I see what's going on here. And watch it for a minute. Oh, I ain't trading on my large account yet. Let me go here to my charts. I'm keeping an eye on this. over here. Man, I ain't go to my charts yet. I forgot to buy in my large account. Look at the bottom right here, over here. What I called out earlier, KBSF. It goes to that point, we good. Try to get some of that KBSF money right quick. We can get it to work right. We got going here, EVK. Did it halt on volatility? No, it's still moving. Get some EVK money now. I'm still here trying to find an EVK trade, and I'm trying to find a KBSF trade worth buying in at. Meanwhile, my LIZI trade is not going the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. First candle make a new high, right? Previous candle make a new high. That's the buying point there. What else going on? ITRM. CYN has no volume coming in, which is crazy. ITRM, cheap stock, right? It's on the watch list. I'm gonna buy it right quick for a quick run, about 10 to 15 cents. If I can get in fast enough. Come on, stupid. Damn cell phone be acting crazy. You can turn the Wi-Fi off. All right. Let's see what happens right here on my LIZI trade right here. Make it larger. All right. Let's see. Check. I just bought in 97 cents on ITRM for run to $1.05. Hopefully. Yeah, $1.05 is a good sell point for me. Alright, this here doing nothing. This is acting crazy. But we 10 minutes to the market. Let's see. EVK is pulling back. ITRM. GWSO. Put it right here with KBSF at. So I'm on my phone now, putting in a group, GWSO. So you should see it right now. Check the timestamps. Hovering over my sell button, looking for a second blow through of this 459 mark. Where the buyers at? Come on, buyers. Let these short sellers scare you away. Blow through these short sellers. Get through that. Can't be scared to make that trade, LIZI. I'll go back over here in a minute and keep watching my charts for more trades. So what I'm trying to do is on my cell phone is buy in GWSO, but it keeps giving me an error. Remember to look at those errors. It's telling me that you can only buy limit. You know why? It's probably an OTC stock. And buying those, a dangerous game if you don't know what you're doing. I think we good now. I think we about to blow through this point and roll. I'm going to go over here for a second. I think we're pretty good here now. We blow through this point, hit this point here, 460, and we up. Now remember, I said I want 44 cents, right? Let's see what happens. My buy-in point, again, is 444. Green candle, we good. It's candle green, we A1. I ain't got it over here, do I? Sure don't. Let's see. Charts. Let me add GWO to my watch list. Sorry, GWSO and KBSF. I'm watching right here. If it turns green, we good. Here we go. I'm checked on the auto. I'm gonna hop out this time with profit. But I'm waiting for it to go through this point. If it bang this point and come off it, I'm done with it. Sellers overpowering it. They pulling it down. Look at that. Down 54 bucks that quick. A 40,000 share buyer came in. Sorry, a 40,000 share seller came in and jumped it. That's these big institutions you see that be shorting and buying these stocks. There's no reason why it went from that point to automatically a dump. Most will get scared and run away from this. I'm down right now, actually 10%. No, not quite. Yeah, 10%. No, not quite. But I trust the process. I see what's going on. Checking out everything, checking out perfect. This green candle here should have been the run-up candle. It did here for like a $7 to $8 gain. I say this, say that. Take what the market gives you. In this case, I know what's going on right here. A lot of fake short sellers. They popping in, popping out. And then you got also these big institutions who shorten the stock. They probably bought it months and months ago back here somewhere. Look back here. The 5-day, 15-minute chart. It's showing you that it's light red, but a large sell candle, 15-minute, right? It's oversold, right? MACD. It's blowing through it. Actually, it's not. It's not oversold. In the 15-minute, it's not. Let's look at 180-day 4-hour. This back here, it was $6. and that was on 10-12. So they get habit of going up and pulling back. So the next point we need to look at is right here already drawn, the one in the middle. So you look here, you see constantly it hits that point. Next point gonna be back here at 848. Then we go into 898. We can put 99. Then we going back here for another point, which is already drawn. This support right here on a run up. Support on the run up right there. And support on the low, 195. It's the lowest it's been in the last 6 months. That pullback is terrible. Might be holding a little too long. We'll see though. It blew through that line. You don't want that. Straight decline. Right? Straight decline on a 15 minute. Was way over extended from the EMA on the 15 minute. On a 5 minute chart, a lot of lines there I drew, but you'll see in the 5 minute chart showing the same thing I was showing on the 15 minute chart and 180 day 4 hour chart. Meanwhile, over here, this ITRM has a 106 high of the day. So draw a line right there. And support on the day so far has been way down here at 82 cents. But the medium channel seems to be right here. Let's watch it for a minute. This ain't adding up though. This right here, make it bigger. It's not adding up. This right here has made the resistance support. AMTX. I'm not in this. I'm not in that. I tried to get in. Couldn't get in. So I gave up. AMTX. Late to the game with that one. Does it have news? $10 price target. AMTX has news. $10 price target. So far, not in anything in my large account because I can't find the time, looks like, to get on it fast enough. It happens sometimes. Oh, I lied. I'm in ITRM 97 cents. Never mind. Forgot about that ITRM. Let me get out of it. I don't like what it's doing. 106 the high day, so I'm gonna put it at 108. Sorry, not 180. 108. Come on, come on, come on. Load. Load. It's gonna blow through that high day. It did. 107. I want to get out 108. Let's see what happens right here. AMTX. Man 325 AMTX for a sell point of high of day. Actually, put it above high of day. Put it at 355. I like weird numbers, so I put orders in sometimes because the weird numbers it has. I won't always find a point I think sell that. I will look at numbers I see and make those sell points. If I know high of day is 350, and if it pass it, usually $half marks are resistance points, right? So it should technically blow through that 350 and go a little higher. In the ideal world, that's what happened. Meanwhile, we hit 108 up here. I called it earlier 108 with my sell point. I don't know what the hell damn LIZI doing. But see, they got float though. Look at the float in LIZI. Now I pass every rule I have. Never buy stocks below 10 million. I mean, above 10 million share float. However, it was trading 24 million shares pre-market. I'm like, man, that's no way in hell I can't trade this. Look at the volume, and you see what's doing right now. We got bulk sellers coming in. Look back here for about a year. Over here now, 109 high today. Look back here for a minute at the three year 1 week. So here we are back here in 2020 January. It was 15 bucks a share. I knew it was on Thinkorswim. Can't go that far back, but why was it that high and dumped? And it pulled back, ran up for a little bit, pulled back. So here, technically, should go higher, right? Look at history. Pull back, go up, pull back, go up, right? Look at the 5-day, 5-minute. I'm still in this LIZI on my small account still, so I haven't sold yet. Look over here, though. So I'm going to go in the group here and say AMTX. Did I put it in here yet? I did. AMTX should run past high of day. HOD. Here we come. I put in the group. Let's watch. 350 high of day. Draw a line there to prove a point. I didn't get the line and do it. It blew through it. Damn it. I got the line way too late. Remember I said earlier, you guys, my sell point was 355. You see here, it's past my sell point. So I should have money on it when I log in. Also here, I sold at 108. So I should have money in my account as well for that 108. But this right here is irritating the hell out of me, man. Hey, look what I see. EVK, target buy-in, 541. EVK, target buy-in is 541. Now, on this day going LIZI, the next move up, I'm just get out of it. I'm sick of dealing with it. Look down here. It ran up, fake out. Ran up, see the burgundy? Fake out. Ran up. Here we are, 2 green candles in a row. What happens here? Let me go back over here for a minute. Look at my account. My large account. Only made 2 trades so far in my large day trading account. And both of them, wait, I'm in GWSO. I'm up 5 cents right now, but I don't like what it's doing. Let's see. Wait, that's the wrong stock. That's AMTX. I'm out of this, so I'm getting off it. GWSO. My sell point was in GWSO. I had it too high, looked like. Yeah. I'm getting out of GWSO at 210. Come on now, I think we stuff popping up on my phone. I hate that. 210, I'm out. Let's see. My sell point's 210. Go down a little bit, 210. It should blow that spurt up it did a minute ago. All right, let me go in the group, post my AMTX trade. Come on now. Phone act right. That's my AMTX trade. And here is a move right here I see occurring. And here is my ITRM trade. There we go. Blow through this point. We should have a bull right here. Should be a bull run. But look over here though. Look at these guys. They just faking out. They go in, they out. They in, they out. They in, they out, right? Getting buyers scared to buy it, right? If I saw 100,000 shares being traded, trying to get in that stock, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go away. Look at her. Yeah, 32,000. Rephrase that. 3.2 million shares being traded at one. I saw a minute ago. It was 320 with 3.2 million shares traded. That's crazy. Let's watch right here. It's large. Look what happens. Look at trends. Large green candles make run-ups. Small green candles are pullbacks or in between the run-ups. So either way, this piece of body make a large green candle. That's a run-up. All you gotta do is bang past this line and make this line support. If this becomes support, we got a good run up coming. We got 130% potential on the line. That's back 50% now. It was 190 a little while ago. If that's green, we A1. That's the wrong daggone. I'm in the wrong post. You guys throwing me off. I'm on yesterday's post trying to post my today's stuff. What's wrong with y'all? I'm going to stand by for a minute and watch what happens while I'm on my phone posting information in the group. See, sometimes this kind of gets in the way of me trading regular. So my real trades, I'll trade pre-market. I'll trade at market. I'll buy more shares. But on the group, can't do that. Because everybody ain't got money just laying around like that. So try to be neutral. You know what I mean? Here we go. All right, let me log off this account. I'm going to hop out when I get the chance. If it bang this price and pull back, I'm hopping out of it. Trust the process though, right? I'm looking at this carefully. Come on, blow through that point. You have to blow through this. Make this support. You must make this support. Look at this line already crossed. It tipped it right there. Tipped it right here. Tipped it right there. Through it. Make that support. Big volume buy. Big volume. Curve up right here. Oversold, right? It's all pointing in the right direction. Like it should. I'm watching carefully this RSI for that curve. I'm watching here for that pullback as well. Check this out. Watch this. One minute chart, right? Watch this. Double tip. Bing, bing, right? Look right here, though. This green candle, bigger than this green candle, which means it's going up. Keep an eye on those 1 minute candles. Come on, one more time. If it fails again, I'm getting out of it. I don't like, see that? That was terrible. Remember, it banged, it fell, it banged, it fell. So I lost $6 in that trade. I held it way too freaking long. When I first bought it, I should have bought it back here, and I did, somewhere around this area. And then when run up, hopped out of it at the 480 mark, 478. But I wanted 488. Remember, 10%. So you can't always get 10%. Sometimes you gotta take what it gives you, right? If it gives you 8%, take 8%. Give you 5%, take 5%. What I should have did was take my 10 cents or 20 cents and then ran on with it, kept on pushing. However, I wanted 44 cents, and everything told me it should do that. Well, I felt 4 cents short over here. Phrase that. 6 cents short over here. Now I held it way too long. It pulled way back here. Now I was down like $60. Trust the process, right? Went back up. I was up, what, $10? Didn't want to sell it. Waited. Right here. Went to 1 minute candle. Saw that it was failing twice. And the first pullback, I saw it bang twice. It wasn't doing anymore. I hopped out of it. $6 loss. But hell, $6 loss is a lot worse than a $600 loss, or a $60 loss, or a $6,000 loss. So think of it that way. So with that being said, let me go back to my 5-minute chart. Consolidation. I'm almost guarantee you it's gonna be green right here next candle. It's crazy. It's almost guaranteed. But I bought 444. Let me see something. 444, which means I'm gonna buy some small. I'm gonna buy small. Let me see. I'm gonna buy something small to get rid of that loss. I don't like that loss. I'm gonna buy 15 shares from this run up. 15 shares. They go up 20 cents, right? 20 times 15. Yeah. 15 cents, that is. Shit. Get rid of my loss. No, it won't. No, it won't. Get $3. Not worth doing that. Alright. So, with that being said, time on deck is 10 o'clock. I lost my freaking $6 this morning. Man, it's crazy what happened. The stock didn't play out how it should. Look at this EVK though. Check this out. This thing has dumped since the market opened. Remember, with no news, that kind of run up is not sustainable. Let's go back for 180 days and 4 hours. Look at this. Any day crap in 180 days. Yet today it went up. Let me see back. Let me go back further. Here we go. Back here on 10/22/20, it was 676 the stock was. Look today what happened today. It came very close to that point. Very close, right? But it failed. It came to 662, I think it was. 662. Yeah. 662, what the high was today was. So it came real close to that point. Look at it, it does though. It runs up, pulls back heavy. See that pullback? That's light. That's light volume, right? It runs up, gets light up top, and pulls back heavy. Look over here, the same thing. Run up, light volume, pulls back heavy. Follow trends. Support we know already is 170 or 173. We know now new support is right there. It breaks that, we way down here at 79 cents. We don't want that, right? I don't have it traded as you see here at all. Traded one stock small account, which was LIZI. But look at this. That's crazy. Here we go. NSCO. Look at that run right there. God, dog it. I'm going to the group. I ain't bought it yet. I'm telling you guys first. I'm putting in here NSCO is a potential buy. So we go to 5-day, 5-minute chart. 5-day, 5-minute. I'm already there. Hello. I want some of that money. I want some of that money on NSCO. Let me hurry up and get my login going on. See what I can do to get in it. For running $8. Let's see what happens right here. Come on, Joe. Get in the stock, man. You're missing all the run up. I'm in at 735. And my sell point is $8. Would it hit it? Let's see. I like whole dollar amounts though. Pay me no attention. Half dollar mark is resistance. Remember that. Half dollar marks is resistance. And dollar marks are bigger resistance points. But look up here though. High today is $8. It's my goal to hit high of day before I sell it. I'm in at 740, 730? What I say? 735, I think I said. I ain't looking right. I'm on my phone doing something else. 735, I think I said earlier. That sound right. Let me look at it. Screenshot this. I see my GWSO sold as well. So I'm screenshotting that. That's my RA account. I trade sometimes, day trade. My RA account. And yes, it's a Roth account for sure. I'm putting in here looking for a new high of day. See what happens though. I'm gonna give you guys about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna say 10-10. I want to see what it's gonna do here. I'm curious. It's gonna hit a new high of day. Look right here though. Look at ITRM. Let me go over here for a minute. NSCO. Put this up here. I'm out of stock already. NSCO. Look at this. Oh, look at my LIZI. I'm out of it now. $6 loss. But look here though. This thing is felling again. See what it's doing? It's banging that point, coming back. It's banging that point, coming back. It's banging that point, right? All day pretty much. Bang that point, comes back. Bang that point, comes back. Always draw lines, right? Look over here. I told you guys, look for new high of day. It's in the group. AMTX, I'm already out of that trade. So luckily I traded that. I'm already done with that one. Get rid of that line right there I got on there. When you're done trading, at least me, I'm done trading, I remove the lines. At that point, while logging down the line and still sitting there, it throws me off, right? That's me at least. EVK, I didn't trade that stock. Didn't like what it was doing. But if you did, man, look at that. Trade. $8 coming. Look at that. It's too close. It's in the group too. I said looking for a new high of day. $8 coming. What are we doing right here? NSCO. Should make a new high of day, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing right here? How did it go last time? Double tap. 785. So if it hits it again, then you know that's going to fail. If it hits again, that same point, it's going to fail. 3 minutes left before I end the video. Remember, I'm down $6 on my trade order on LIZI, which is still failing right now. I'm going to hop out right now on my NSCO at 760. See what happens right here. My hands on the sell button. 54. My hand on the sell button. One minute chart telling me that in this minute here, straight decline. My hand on the sell button. If I see it getting weaker, I'm gonna get out of it. It breaks this point, this EMA, I'm gonna hop out of it. Notice something though. When the EMA higher than the VWAP, the stock runs. Notice that. When EMA, I'm out. When EMA higher than your VWAP, notice the run up. Let me go to this chart. One minute left from ending the video. LIZI. I want that capitalized. Had several fake outs. All right. I told you guys in the group, I lost money today. I'm putting down how much I lost. Cut losses early, right? Video coming soon. Now I held it. Let me phrase that. You might say, damn, Joe, you didn't do that. I did. It came back. I still held it because I knew it was going to come back up again. To bang that point again. Came up. It banged that point again. Then it failed on me. And that's when I got out of it. So I tell you cut losses early, but I trust the process. I knew for a fact it must pass this point. And if it makes this point support, we A1. Only thing that happened was that point I pointed out never made support in that point. So I lost money on it. $6. This is about to hit high for day. This is crap. This is crap. This is not doing nothing. So I'm already done trading my large account. I'm out here at 775. Only thing left over. No, I'm afraid that I'm out already. I'm already out. Never mind. I'm out already. I'm out here. I didn't trade this. I'm out here. I'm out here. So, with that being said, one trade away. Be safe out here.